was really good.
I like how there's different areas of food you can pick.
I like that there's like different options, I guess, now, and it's like more open, so you can like, our old cafeteria was kind of like closed a little bit.
I like how spacious it is. When I remember before, when I'd come in, there was like a specific direction that you had to walk. Aesthetic is more, it's warmer and it's more relational.
Yeah, I really like the flooring and the different color schemes and stuff that come together to make it look nice.
I like the openness of it. Right when you walk in, you can see all the options that you have for the meal. It looks much nicer, brighter. The carpet and tile are nice. Even where the food is displayed is nicer. And I like the booths behind me. It's a lot more comfortable, especially when you have a smaller group or a one-on-one. So I'm an RA, so I have a lot of residents who want to talk to me, and I meet them in the cafeteria because that's a time where we're free to talk.
I like the idea of having space to be able to sit by yourself, but also have still like a family meal with people, especially if you want to go on date tables or if you want to go on group date tables, like that works too. So those are nice.
What do you mean date tables?
Oh, you know, like the one-on-one tables where you can